In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full-width slider in Wix. If you're looking to make your website more dynamic and visually engaging, a full-width slider is a fantastic tool to have in your design arsenal. It allows you to display images in a sliding panoramic format that can capture the attention of visitors immediately. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up. First, open up your site in the Wix editor. The Wix editor is your primary workspace where you can customize every aspect of your website. Once you log in and have your site loaded, direct your attention to the left side panel. This panel is your main navigation tool within the editor, providing you access to a wide array of features and elements you can add to your site. Now, locate and click on the Add Elements section. This section is like your toolbox, filled with different components you can incorporate into your site to enrich its functionality and aesthetics. Next, turn your focus to the Image selection within the Add Elements menu. Images play a crucial role in engaging viewers, and the full-width slider we're about to create relies heavily on them to deliver an impactful visual experience. In the Image submenu, you'll want to look for Interactive. This category includes dynamic elements that make your site more interactive for users. Under Interactive, you'll see an option for Slideshows or Sliders. This is where the magic happens, as these tools facilitate the creation of interactive displays that can enhance user engagement. From the slideshow options provided, you'll need to choose a full-width slideshow. It's important to select a full-width version rather than a box slideshow because this allows your images to extend across the entire width of the screen. It's a key aspect of ensuring your site has a modern, immersive feel that holds the attention of those who visit it. With your full-width slideshow selected, simply drag it onto your desired spot on the page. The great thing about Wix is that moving and placing elements is intuitive. Just click, drag, and drop until it's positioned exactly where you envision it. Placing the slideshow in a prominent location, such as the top of your page, can make it the focal point, immediately drawing in visitors as they land on your site. With these steps completed, you now have a vibrant, full-width slider integrated into your Wix site. Remember, this slider is just the beginning. You can further customize it with your own images, captions, and even animations to truly make it your own. This feature not only adds visual appeal, but also enhances user experience by keeping your audience engaged. Happy editing?